I've gotten asked this question a few times, and I'm going to answer it today of the video. Now, I'm hoping the person's referring to deleting a Quora space and not a space within a sentence. But I'm pretty sure they're talking about a Quora space, unwanted Quora space. Additionally, I hope they're referring to their unwanted Quora space and not someone else's space, because you cannot delete or get rid of someone else's space. Now, how do you get rid of your unwanted space? I created one for you so I can test it. I created this new space. It's called Teddy's Space 50, and I want to get rid of it. Here's how you get rid of it. Again, it's my space. I'm in the space. I have the admin bar. Go to Settings. All the way at the bottom, click Delete Space. It says Confirm Space Deletion. Are you sure you want to get rid of it? I want to hit Delete Space, and it's gone. Now, I just did that test. I'm willing to do this next test. Look here. I'm going to go to my space, my legitimate space. I'm on the dashboard. I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Now, this one is monetized. It has subscribers. If I delete the space, to delete the space, disable all active monetization programs and try again, which says if you have monetized your space, you cannot delete it until all monetization has been disabled. But the bottom line answer is, once you're able to do that, go to your space, admin dashboard, click on settings, and there it is right there. Now, in the context of other people's spaces, can you get rid of them? What you may be able to do, this person may be referring to see all spaces. Maybe if I'm following a space, I can say I don't want to follow it anymore. Click on that space, and I'm following it. Maybe I want to get rid of that. I would unfollow that space and get rid of it. Again, I'll do another one, show you right here. If I'm following Quora Partners, you can see I'm following it. If I want to get rid of it from my news feed, I can say unfollow it, and that could get rid of that space. So if you're talking about someone else's spaces, unfollow. If you're talking about your space, delete. I'm Teddy, your Quora contributor. Hope this is helpful for you.